In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change signature color in PDF fill and sign using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever wanted your digital signature to appear in blue, red, or green, instead of default black, this guide will walk you through it clearly from start to finish. Begin by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once your document is visible, go to the Tools view and choose Fill and Sign. This dedicated workspace is built for adding signatures and initials, so you can focus on signing without switching to full editing features. If your page has small signature fields, consider zooming in a bit so you can place everything precisely. With Fill and Sign open, look at the top toolbar and click Sign Yourself. If you already saved a signature, it will appear as an option. If not, Acrobat will prompt you to create one by typing, drawing, or importing an image. Place the signature exactly where you want it on the page. You can drag a corner to resize or drag the signature itself to fine tune the position. Take a moment here. Clean placement makes everything look more professional. To change the color, move your cursor near the placed signature and click the small color circle that appears. This will open a simple palette. Choose the color you prefer. Blue is a common business standard. Red can draw attention, and green works well for internal approvals. If the color circle doesn't show immediately, click the signature once to bring its controls into view. At the bottom of that color menu, make sure the option labeled Retain Original Color for Signatures is unchecked. This setting is key. When it's checked, Acrobat keeps whatever color the signature was originally created in, which often locks it to black, especially if it came from a scanned image. Unchecking it tells Acrobat to apply the color you just selected to the signature in your document. Look over the page to confirm the new color displays clearly against the background. The shape, size, and position of your signature won't change, only the color updates. When everything looks right, save the document. Saving preserves both the placement and the color, ensuring that anyone who opens the PDF sees your signature exactly as intended. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.